Alright, part 2, muscles. Now I got to hustle, I'm running out of time. And I swear that sometimes I think my verses didn't turn to a crime. Now it's to the muscles and the skeleton. Elatin, eat this beat up like it's gelatin. I yell again to the skeletal muscles, aka straight muscles. Ooh wee, oh my god, I think I got to hustle to the myofilm, missing to the end. And I don't really want to go and try to fill them in to the myosins. Okay, let's get it. Resembles a golf club. Okay, golf club, yeah. Now the beat drops in. Now I got to go to the fascicles, go to end. They muscle fibers and organize in bundles. Now I think I done said a lot, so if you still don't understand, you go to the active myofilms that resemble twisted pearls. Or you can go ahead and give it to your girl. I think I done covered them all. I think, oh wait, I forgot one of them all. So now I drop it low, back to the skeleton, because I think I didn't tell y'all enough of it. 4 characteristics, it's sensitivity, electricity. I really can't say the other words, I'm understanding them. So if you understand them, you can just look me up and read about the muscles of anatomy. I'm sitting here about 4:30 with my teacher. Okay, preacher, go on and go listen to this in your speakers. Looking at my shoes, okay, I think I messed up my sneakers. Okay, it's done now. I'm done clowning. Okay, cut the